In this training video, I'm going to show you a brand new angle to do affiliate marketing, promoting someone else's product with a done for you DFY, done for you biz in a box, which means you're getting everything on a silver platter to promote their product, and it's a win-win situation. I'm going to give you the product that product that's converting very good, and how you can start to promote this product, start driving free traffic to this product and targeted traffic. And it's not a normal product, it's a product that's converting very good, and I'm going to show you why. And not just that this product is converting very good, this product is giving you everything for you to promote this product. In other words, the vendor and the creator of this product is willing to help you make commissions, because he knows that when you make commissions, he makes commissions as well, which means he makes money. In other words, so it's a win-win situation. And I'm going to show you why this product is converting very good, why a little traffic can make you a lot of money, and how you can generate insane amounts of commissions just by driving quality and targeted traffic. Okay, so if you watch this video and if you're in the space of affiliate marketing, trying to make money online, and you want to promote other people's products to make money online, watch this video, because in this video I'm going to reveal the product, I'm going to reveal the traffic source, and it's going to be a free traffic source, and I'm going to reveal how you can take advantage of the resource tools given by the vendor of the product for you to start making commissions. So let's dive into this video, a complete affiliate marketing training for beginners, anyone who's trying to get started online. Now, before I dive into this, if you don't know me, I've been in this business for over a decade, and my training has helped thousands of people make money online. Some of my students have gone on to make multiple 7 figures on the internet, and they have become mentors and coach. If you watch my video right to the end and you take my recommendation with a positive mindset, never giving up attitude, I believe you will see results. You will start to see some changes coming into your business. So you need to stick around, okay? And you need to get your mindset right. And I will be coming up with a brand new training video teaching you all about mindset, what type of mindset you should have when it comes to creating a successful internet business. And I'm also going to show you how you can create a millionaire brain switch, that when you switch that button, you start to attract unlimited wealth and abundance into your life. So stay tuned for that. That training is coming very soon. So let's get into this. Okay, for this purpose, we're going to talk about the big, gigantic, super affiliate network called ClickBank. Now, this works with anyone, but I'm going to use this for a very strategic purpose. And that is, there is a program and a product that is converting very good on this ClickBank affiliate network. And that product is called Ted's Woodworking. This product is all about woodwork. It's one of the complete packages that this owner is giving for anyone related to woodworking. It could be anything, and I'm going to show you why this product is converting very good. Okay, so you could see here the EPC is 0.96. Now you might say this is very low compared to the products we have seen on other networks. When you look at networks, it's going to be low. But if you look at this EPC compared to the products on ClickBank, it is quite high, okay? $65 in commissions you're going to get paid every time you promote this product, okay? So first of all, let's just look at the sales page. Now, if any one of you are interested in home and gardens, this product is going to be a very good product for you to promote, because this means that you're just passionate about this niche. And when you're passionate about any kind of niche, and you start promoting that product, most likely you're going to see results, okay? So you can see here, this is the sales page, and it looks absolutely phenomenal. Check this out. Check this training video. This training video down here is a complete training video teaching you all about the woodwork, and it has 16,000 woodworking plans, okay? And look at this, it's a good sales page, a pitch sales page that could convert a complete beginner who's looking into woodworking into a real customer and real buyer. Okay, if I was interested in home and gardens related to shed plans or any kind of woodwork, and I came across a product, definitely as a newbie I would purchase this product. Okay, so you can see here, look at this, it's giving all the images, all the pics, and everything down here. Check this out, alright? Then down here, here's a partial list of the 16,000 plants included in test. Again, there are many more categories that I can't fit on a single page. This is also the ever-growing list as we add new plants every single month. Check this out. Chicken houses, children rooms, clock plants, coffee tables, cold frame plants. You can do so much cool stuff with this product. Now, so you can see here, it's got so many results, so many testimonials, and it's a very, very good product. You can see the price plan here as well. Okay, where is it? I just saw the price plan. It's $67. You're going to make some good amount of commissions, okay, when you promote this product. Okay, so how do you promote this product? How can I promote this product? Okay, so it's very simple, very, very easy. Okay, let me just show you. First of all, you go to the view affiliate page, and this is where the magic starts to happen. All right, normally to promote a product and to get very, very high conversions, normally what people would do is they would create a mini bridge page. Okay, a bridge page that will connect from the product to the actual sales page. What does that bridge page do? That page does the selling and telling for you. Now, creating this bridge page can be quite tricky because you need to know what you're going to talk about. You need to have something in your mind to hype up the customer to be ready to take out his credit card. And a bridge page would look something just like this. Let me just show you, okay? This would be a bridge page. I wouldn't consider this a bridge page because I created this with a intention of a sales page, but you can call this a bridge page where you have a landing page. From the landing page, they come to the bridge page. From the bridge page, they go to the sales page. From the sales page, they go to the order form, okay? So this can be a bridge page for you, okay? So I created this page myself where I am actually giving away a DFY business in a box that can make anywhere from $100 to $900, 100% profitable commissions straight into their bank account directly without any cut. That's right, and it's a complete DFY business in a box, done for you sales page, done for you landing page, done for you email swipes, done for you training, course, learning, earning, everything given to you on a silver platter, and you get full training, full coaching, full mentorship, everything, and you get to see the wins and the testimonies of other people to learn, and you get webinars and live interactive webinars every single week, couple of times, with technical skills, with asking questions, everything. So this is a business that I created, and I created this bridge page. Okay, now when it comes to this bridge page, you want to create this bridge page as well, a bridge page like this, because this is how you convert products very quickly, very easily, with very minimum traffic. Okay, but the problem is, if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing and you're just a complete beginner, then you're probably asking, wait, I don't know how to create these bridge pages. I don't have any kind of experience. I don't have any kind of technical skills. So what are you going to do? In this case, you want to use a DFY bridge page. And this is what this product is doing, okay? So if you come here to the JV page and you come, okay, wait. Yeah, this is the JV page, all right? And when you come here, look what he's giving away. He's giving away everything to you to promote this product. Okay, $125 per se, 75% commission, $2 EPC. Alright, if I just keep scrolling down, and you can see here, look at the amount of hops and the amount of sales people are making. Check this out. Alright, these are the affiliates promoting this product. Okay, and you can see people are making some good amount of money promoting this product. Okay, and if I scroll down, you can see he's talking about the product itself, the main offer, the upsells, the downsells, etc. And if I keep scrolling down, I just want to get to the point here, alright? So you can see here they have different landing pages. If you're going to do some Facebook PPC ads, no exit pop, here's the product. If you're going to do some text only landing page, here's the link. He's giving different type of links as well, alright? So I am just saying I want to go straight to the resource page. Check this out. Landing pages, done for you landing pages, okay? A done for you landing page to promote the product. Graphics, PPC keyword. If you're going to do pay-per-click marketing, Google traffic, Bing traffic, Facebook traffic, he's giving you the exact keywords to target, okay? Demographic and Facebook. If you're going to do Facebook ads, okay, stay tuned because I'm going to come up with these training videos to teach you how to do Facebook ads, how to do Google ads, how to do big ads, how to drive paid traffic, how to scale your business to multiple 4-5 figures and even 6 figures. Okay, so if you're going to do Facebook ads, in that Facebook ads, just promoting a product is not enough. You need to know the exact demographic. For example, the age. Which age is converting very, very good with this product? Is it 34 to 44? Is it 44 to 54? Is it 54 to 64? Who's converting? Now, who has all the matrix for this? The vendor, the owner, the creator of this product, he has all the matrix. So he's giving away the matrix. He knows exactly who's going to buy this product. So he's giving it away to you. So when you create a Facebook ad, you can target those people, those age range product people. Okay, he's giving you the done for you email sites. He's giving you the TikTok videos that you can post on TikTok and start promoting these products. He's giving you the review videos. You could go to YouTube, create a YouTube channel and just post these review videos. He's giving you the pre-sale article. He's giving you the tips for free traffic. Okay, and when you go to here, landing pages, in this landing pages, this is where he is going to give you the bridge page. Okay, the bridge page to actually promote this product. Okay, so you can see here, if you take this link, let's just take one of these links. Okay, let's just copy, paste, enter. Let's see where it takes us to. Alright, so it's taking us directly to the sales page. Alright, so when you come here, you can see here, no exit pop, no video autoplay. This is because some of the traffic sources don't allow that. Alright, so he's trying to keep you, alright, he's trying to keep you onto the safe side. So let's just take this one and let's see what this is. Check this out. Check this out. A done for you landing page. Check this out. 50 free woodworking plan. Get instant access below. Alright. Enter your best email. And when they look at this and they enter their best email, most likely they're gonna buy. You know why? Because no one wants to give their email just like that. They're giving the email because they're interested, right? Alright? So this is how you promote this product. Now it's time to talk about traffic, okay? You've got different type of links here. I highly recommend you check out all these links, okay? Graphic and banners if you're going to do some kind of media buy, alright? So he's giving you all the media buy. He's giving you the source code for everything down here, okay? Download image media pack. He's giving you the Greek one keywords. He's giving you the Facebook as case study, alright? He's giving you the demographic, 85% male, female 15%, country is all the English speaking country, ages 30 to 65, alright? He's giving you the email swipes. He's giving you the short form videos, reels. Check this out. You can just copy, paste, go to TikTok, start promoting these product reels, Insta, TikTok, review videos, okay? Pre-sale articles, press release, Facebook groups, alright? He's doing so much there just to help you, alright? So no more excuse on how you can promote product. Come to ClickBank, go to Ted's Woodworking, get your affiliate link and start promoting. Now, how do you drive traffic? Very easy. Free traffic, okay? So you want to go to Facebook. Okay, once you're on Facebook, what you want to do is you want to go to groups and then you want to type in Ted's Woodwork. Let's see what comes up. Right, you can see here 34,000 members, 134,000 members, 363 members, 101,000 members. You want to join a couple of these groups here, and once you have joined the group, what you can do is you can start posting. Now, you don't want to get crazy. You want to do one post a day, alright, in different groups, probably about 3 to 5 groups a day, and you want to be consistent. Consistent brings results. Persistent is the key to success. Remember my words. Persistent is the key to success. Consistency brings results. So you have to do this every single day. Just doing it 1 or 2 times is not going to do the job. You want to post every single day. Now, what do you post? That's a big question that people ask. What do you post? Okay, so you want to take some ideas from the sales page and you want to post something like, hey, I just found a way where you can get 16,000 woodworking projects at your fingertips. Comment info for more details. That's all. Something like that. And once you start doing this, you're going to become more creative and you're going to become more expert in knowing what to write and how to get people's attentions. Okay, now every group is different. You're not going to get a response from every type of group. Some groups are going to be very responsive. Some groups you're going to get zero results. Okay, so every time someone leaves a comment, you're going to send them a direct message, and in that message you're going to give them a complete details about this product, how this product can work, how this product can help you, and in that you can either build your list by creating your own landing page and then redirecting them to the affiliate offer, which I would recommend you do, because this way you're gonna make more money by having email follow-ups kicking in. And if you can't do that, then you could send them directly to the affiliate page, direct sales page, by getting your affiliate link. But when you do that, make sure you mask this affiliate link with a shortened URL. Do not post this affiliate link directly into the Facebook messaging service, because if you do that, you're going to get suspended, you're going to get banned. So you need to shorten it. Alright, and I would recommend the best thing to do is create your own mini landing page, and create that mini landing page so you can build a list, and then create email swipes so you can actually follow up with those people and then send them directly to the landing page. So when you're building a list, they're going to see the product. If they don't buy, that's okay, because you're going to have email follow-ups kicking in, and that's going to convert those freebies into customers. Now, where do you get these email swipes from? Here it is, email swipes. He's giving away all the email swipes, all right? So sending at least 4 emails in a week will result in a more save versus just a single mailer, okay? So you want to have at least minimum 4 emails, 1 email per day going out, and that's how you're going to convert these people. This is how you do affiliate marketing. Now stay tuned, because I am going to teach you how to create a landing page related to this product, how to add your email swipes into your autoresponder to drive traffic and start getting conversions. So I will see you in the next video, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos where I'm going to show you step by step how to do free traffic, paid traffic, create landing pages, create email swipes, and how to convert freebies into customers.